मैं जज नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ जो कि शोकेस कर रहे हैं डूडलेज करके. सो आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट माय फ्रेंड्स. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स दैट आई विल बी लर्निंग बिकॉज मैं मेरा खुद का फैशन बैकग्राउंड है. आई वेंट टू निफ्ट दिल्ली. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट्स अपकमिंग एंड न्यू. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज सब जाके हरामखोर देखिए और बताइए कैसी लगी. एक one of the best compliments for me after Haramkhor was when this audience member he said कि मैडम अगर ये रिपोर्ट कार्ड होता तो मैं आपको A+ देता. So I thought that was really sweet.
After working with Nawaz, to whom we want to work?
Ranbir Kapoor.
What do you want to say about the response that Haramkhor has got? Like it's a low budget film पर
Correct.
अच्छा response मिला है. Are you happy with the response? What is your feeling?
I'm extremely happy because when an artist आप कोई भी काम करते हो तो आप चाहते हो कि पूरी दुनिया काम देखे. तो एंड फाइनली हरामखोर आफ्टर 4 years of battles with the censorship and everybody तो रिलीज़ हुई है. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड बिग डील फॉर अस. तो हमने फिल्म इज़ मेड अंडर 1 crore और हमने ऑलरेडी 1 crore बना लिया है. सो दैट्स ग्रेट. लाइक बाकी फिल्म से कंपैरिजन में 1 crore इज़ नथिंग बट फॉर अस 1 crore इज़ अ लॉट. सो इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप रिक्वेस्टिंग पीपल टू go watch because every ticket matters.
Shweta, after Haramkhor, any offer you want?
There are scripts which I'm reading, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there should be some good news soon.
नवाज सर से क्या कुछ सीखने मिला आपको?
अरे नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी he's one of the best actors we have, and वो इतनी space देते हैं to the co-actor that you learn and grow a lot. So I would love to work with him again and again.
If we talk about नवाज प्रमोशन की बात करें या फिर स्क्रीनिंग की, बहुत कम जगह दिखाई रही है आराम
जी.
के लिए. इसकी कोई खास वजह?
अरे नहीं वो बहुत ही बिजी. इनफैक्ट वो दुबई में थे एंड मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ किए उनके साथ और इतना मज़ा आता है क्योंकि उनका वो बहुत ही विटी एंड इंटेलिजेंट इंसान है. तो हमने काफ़ी दिन किए थे इंटरव्यूज़ साथ में. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi guys. Hi.
Okay, guys, only event-related questions. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
That's it. No. Just talk about air. Just talk about graduates and talk about.
Rolling?
Should I bend?
No, it's okay. Okay, hi Vani. Firstly, tell us what exactly is happening over here. अंदर क्या हो रहा है? We hear you're the judge. So exactly क्या?
I have no idea how I'm going to judge this because I'm not a fashionista. But you know, it's great that this happens every year, and Elle basically celebrates this every year, where you know they have some of the most brightest young fashion talent who are you know bringing about a change and bringing change in the Indian fashion and showing it a different direction. So it's really good to see new talent being you know given a chance and opportunity, and it's a huge platform. I feel Elle is a huge magazine, and they have the popularity is on a really wide scale. So it's really good to see young bright people getting an opportunity.
What quality you say to the models and for judging?
I'm sorry?
क्या qualities देखेंगे models में judge करने के लिए?
क्या क्वालिटीज़ मैं देखूंगी while judging? I'm honestly fretting right now. पता नहीं मैं कैसे करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे फैशन की इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है. So whatever as a commoner I like, and whatever sense that I have of fashion, what I like as an individual, I'm going to judge on the basis of that.
Vani, as a fashion event, who are you wearing today? Is it like जो dress हमने पहना उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
Yes, Rahul, Payal Khanna, right? Khandwala, sorry. Payal Khandwala, please we can edit that.
Yeah.
Payal Khandwala.
So
Yeah.
after the Red Sea Ball,
Oh sorry, then
after the Bay Picnic, what movie will come?
Yeah, what are your future projects and what are the plans? Any film that you have signed because all the fans are excited. We've seen you in Bay Picnic, we loved you in Bay Picnic.
Thank you.
But what next? What is next for Vani?
Abhi, there's nothing that's planned yet because you know, I'm reading things and I'm seeing nothing signed, so there's nothing that I can talk about. But whenever there will be, then I'll make an announcement.
We hear कि Aditya sir is keen on signing you for Dhoom 4, which also has Shah Rukh Khan.
I
There
hope
are
that
rumors-
happens.
There are rumors.
It's a fantastic rumor which I hope turns into reality, but I have no idea. Yeah, I don't even think Adi has an idea about directing Zoom for yet. But I don't know. Don't quote me. But I don't know. I'm not in it as of now.
Speaking about Befikre, what do you want to say about the response that the audience has given to the film? Are you happy with the response?
I think it's got polarized reviews where there are people who've loved it and there are people who have not really, they've not really felt connected to the film the way one thought they would. But I feel it's also to do with the fact that it's a little bit ahead of its time. It's got polarized reviews, but I feel it's just a light-hearted romantic movie, which was, it's a romantic comedy, and I don't know what else can be expected out of it. But all I know is that I mean, there are people who've really shown a lot of love for the film, and we're just like, I'm just counting that.
Mani, during the film promotions, it was a sad thing that, and even you spoke about it in an interview that, people were speaking you've done something to your face and all. But what do you want to say about the things that
I don't
the
want to say
comments-
anything. I just want to go bang my head against this wall because I'm done answering. You guys feel I've done
I know
something.
you've answered in a
I'm
print interview, but for
Okay,
electronic medium, you haven't given a bite. That's why
What
I'm
do-
asking you here.
you know, by giving me. Oh, okay. I really don't want to comment here because I feel by commenting I'm giving so much importance to those few people who are coming up with such statements, which is really ridiculous for me to even answer because I feel I'm giving. It's just irrelevant for me.
Which movie you are looking to see forward? Dangal, Raees or Kabil?
Both films. I'm a big movie buff. I want to watch both. And I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. And I really, really love watching Hrithik on screen. So I'm anticipating both films.
Did you see Dangal?
Yeah.
I have. It's an amazing film. I'm again Amir Khan and all those girls and everybody in the. You can't pinpoint anything wrong in that film. I think it's just an all-rounder winner.
Mani, speaking of Dangal, do you think Amir is like the best Khan of the three Khans that are there? Because all his films get a good critic response also, and it does good business also.
I don't think you should compare artists. Every artist has something unique about them, and they all bring something so different to the, to the film and to a certain character. So I don't think you can. I wouldn't want to compare anybody with anyone.
Personally, do you?
Personally, I love watching everybody. Yesterday, I was watching. There was Dilwale Dulhania coming, and I only got to see the climax bit, and I saw Shah Rukh's this really expressive, just by his facial expressions, he was interacting with Amrish Puri, and I fell in love with him. And I was like, oh God, he's just magic on screen.
Vani, the Dangal, talking of the Dangal girl, Zaira Wasi has been trolled since she met Mehbooba Mufti. Okay, and
So yeah, we should not be commenting. Like, I'm here at the
then
L.
she has written about your apology also. Could you please speak about it?
Wow.
And even Amir has come in support of it.
I'm honest.
She has said that don't consider me as a role model.
See, other thing is that I have to apologize. I'm a little unaware of the
Mani, can you move a bit?
But and I would honestly would want to even comment on this platform where I'm supporting the new fashion designers and talking about somebody else's thing and creating content.
Wait. मैम लेफ्ट में चलो भाई हो गया मैम एक यहाँ पे ओके मैम रहमान भाई
Two minutes. Ready?
भाई थोड़ा इधर आओ ना अंकिता तो तुम
Chalo, rolling.
Roll.
Okay, hi Sana, it's good to see you.
Hi.
What are you expecting of tonight? अंदर क्या हो रहा है और आप अंदर जज करने वाले हैं? You're walking the ramp. What is it?
No, I've just come to attend this moment of fashion oozing out totally throughout the show. Of course, there are so many designers who are showcasing their design, and I think fashion is something which always goes hand in hand with films. And even as a person, I think everybody wants to be fashionable today. And somewhere, just not the actors, but I think even common people, girls, common boys have become so fashionable when I see them. So I think it's very inspiring to see what's new. And I think I just love fashion, so I think I just enjoy this evening, such evenings, yeah.
Sana, what's your fashion style?
Well, I think it just depends on the kind of body I have at that point of time, and the outfit that fits me perfectly and shows me beautifully. So I think, yeah, something which is comfortable at the same time, something which has some nice fashion and looks a little different. So yeah.
After Wajah Tum Ho, so what is the upcoming project is coming?
Well, you'll get to know in a week now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is a platform that encourages new talent in fashion, and I worked for a brand called Doodleage, which basically works with recycled fabrics. So it kind of echoes with my ethos, like it's better for the environment.
So what is the real meaning of fashion for you?
Real meaning of fashion? Yeah, please come up with a better question. Every time there's a fashion event, somebody asks us this. Very
Tell
boring.
us, आपकी
Style statements.
खबरें आ रही है आपकी.
हाँ.
Great tours
Yeah, yeah.
coming. Tell us something about what the shooting कितनी complete हुई है. कब
Shooting
आया?
is at 50%. We are working, and आज मेरी छुट्टी थी. We are pretty much working for another month or so.
So we have heard that you are doing web series also, which is costly, which is
Very
highest costly in
highest
our
costly.
India.
Yeah.
It's not a web series, a video on demand.
Okay.
So web series is different, like what you see on TVF and all. You can watch it for free, or you can watch it on TVF Play or other such on YouTube. But this will be available on Amazon Prime.
It's based on IPL.
It's based on IPL kind of thing.
Tell us something that web series.
There's a cricket, there's a ball, there are wickets, stumps, gloves. There's also an L guard.
Richard, two big films are coming up, Kabil and Race. आप कौन सी देखना चाहेंगे? If you're waiting for any particular, which one are you rooting for?
I want to watch Raees first because of my loyalties with Excel and with Shah Rukh Khan. And then I'll watch Kabil as well. Looks interesting.
Did you see Dangal?
Yeah,
How's it?
loved it.
Richa,
Really interesting new film, great acting by all the newcomers.
Richa, do you think Amir Khan is like the best actor that we have around in the industry because उसकी फिल्मों को critics भी अच्छे appreciation मिलती है और commercially भी like it's doing good business all his movies.
But he is somebody who does invest time in creating good content, for sure. That एक second क्या हो गया? Get distracted. I'm saying he's definitely somebody who focuses and invests time and money and effort in creating good content, gives himself to the role a lot. We saw that in his body transformation, and one doesn't even remember that this is an actor in his 50s because he's, if anything, much more successful today than he was younger. So yeah,
Richa, the Dangal girl,
Zaira.
Zaira Wasi, has
Yeah.
been just for meeting him.
Huh.
And then she has tweeted and she's on Instagram. She's
Yeah.
apologized for it. Like, don't consider me as a role model for the Kashmiri youth. What do you have to say?
I think she's not just a role model for Kashmiri youth, she's a role model for the young people of India, of the world. She worked so hard on her craft, worked so hard on being an athlete. It's not easy to be waking up at 4 and 5 in the morning and doing those routines, even if it's for just for the filming. And hats off to her. And I think that.
Do you
What
think
is it that
the
makes
trolling-
people afraid of a 16-year-old girl? What is it that makes people afraid of a 16-year-old girl? We have to question ourselves as a society about why we are targeting somebody so young who has just had an incredible run at the box office and been a part of a film that has created history in India and is empowering for women. And I think some people have nothing better to do but to criticize others. I'm sure whatever I'm saying right now also will lead to criticism for me, but I don't care.
Vijay, you're also doing an international project.
Huh.
Can you please tell us something about it?
It's done. It's now in edit, and sound and all is happening. And I'm very proud of the film.
Name of the
It's called Love Sonia.